Okay, doing the lights on the Diamond C car hauler. Having an issue with the lights. Thing's only a couple years old, hasn't been used a whole lot. Looking at the wiring, and apparently this is how Diamond C does wires. They just twist them together and wrap them in electrical tape. I haven't opened these ones up yet, but super freaking high quality. Really pleased about this. Okay, opened up one of the main connections, and that's exactly how they did all the wiring. Just kind of twist them together and put shrink tube on it. I am considering buying a, like a 30 or 40 foot gooseneck. Don't think Diamond C is going to make the cut when I'm making a decision on that. Alright, got it all apart, and I'm looking at, I'm getting everything numbered so I know what's what. And you can see when they strip the cable, they freaking cut through the insulation on the wires. High quality, just utmost quality. Alright, after many hours and a few supplies, didn't cost much. 25 bucks total, I think. Of course, I bought some stuff I already had here, but anyways. Diamond C. This is a much better way to do it. And once I put the lid on, it's pretty much weatherproofed inside the compartment here where the battery goes. That is a whole lot better than just taking two wires, twisting them together, and wrapping them in electrical tape. If that's your standard operating procedure, I'm not buying another Diamond C product. That's all there is to it, because that was complete crap. So, you got a Diamond C, you might want to do this if you're having problems with your lights.